Yay! I like your hair. Are you making bubbles?
Bye.
Good job. Yeah, you trying to say bubbles? Violet. Bubbles. Bubbles. Good job. Where's your boat, Violet? Where's your boat? There's your boat. And where's your ducky? Where'd your ducky go? Where'd it go? Is it over there? Good job! That's your ducky. How do you say ducky? Yeah, and what about Froggy? Where'd Froggy go? Where's Froggy? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Good job. And how do you say Froggy? Good job, honey. Hippo. Pink hippo. Bubbles.